Hello everyone, welcome back. So today in this tutorial, we are going to move forward with another, I would say, example to understand the dictionary comprehension in Python in a better manner. So they are giving us the task to just get the frequency of the characters in a string. Okay. So if you are having any string, okay, you need to get the frequency of those letters. How can I just get that, right? So this is actually an interesting uh, task. Let's just try to get that. So I have a variable here, let's say text, which is going to have a string, let's say programming. Okay, I just want to do something like P should be how many times P is occurring within this string, or how many times R is occurring. So P would be the label, P would be the key, and how many times it's appearing, that would be the value, right? So you can see here within this single line of code I'll get my answer. How will I get that? I'm going to get the char such that, so within this, with this char I'm going to get the letters. Okay, that means the keys. And text dot count. So dot count will give you how many times the letter is being repeated, right? So this is what the beauty of Python. No, for everything we are having the inbuilt functions, so which makes our I would say work easier. So we'll get the count of the characters by the help of for loop, so that I can traverse out throughout the string, right? So for char in simply my text, just that's all. I'll just get my answer within this line only. So I'll just simply print out my, that is nothing but frequency. What I did, I have given my key. Okay, for getting my value I have given out count function to just count out my character char. Okay, by the help of text dot count I can count out my characters. By the help of for loop I can just traverse out throughout the string, right? So if I'll just run the program, I'll get my desired answer. You can see P appears one time, R two time, O one time, G two time, A one time, M two time, I one time, and N we are getting out one time only. So this is how beautifully you can just use out the dictionary comprehension, and you can just sort out your issues, your task, and you can just perform out the whatever uh, task have been given to you, right? So I hope this is clear. Thank you so much.